In remembrance of our fallen and standing heroes, we will support every effort in our shared vision for a new Kenya. On 20th Mashujaa Day, we will be in Narok for a symbolic cleanup. The meeting point will be communicated. To those who have asked for urgent street protests against the ills of this government, I agree with you. However, I urge you to remember the need to build momentum before you engage. Civic education is still needed for a national consensus on the change we want. This struggle is for all of us. It should not be left to the youth, the Gen Z, or the people in towns and cities alone. We need everyone on board. Every Kenyan, from every walk of life, home and abroad, should make a personal effort in bringing the change we want. I look forward to seeing groups and communities of individuals coming together to create awareness in villages and in settlements about issues of tribalism, corruption, failure of healthcare, failure of education, poor infrastructure, disregard for human life, and other painful Kenyan experiences. We need to make sure that every Kenyan mind is enlightened so that corruption has nowhere to hide. If we do enough civic education, we will not fail in any street demonstration. Neither will we fail at changing the ballot. Our key is enlightenment. Our padlock is a Kenyan mind. Time is not on our side, fellow Kenyans. Let us move with speed. I thank you very much.